Проверить, если живее. Вперед! Живее, ребята! Бежи! Все проверить!
Keep your eyes open. Cover that side.
Hello, hello, come in, please. Over. Tango to base. Tango to base. Come in base.
I'm gonna leave Buffalo and Warrior here with you. They know the area. You should have all the time you need.
We'll get it done as quickly as we can.
What are you gonna do with the equipment?
I'm waiting for orders. Either we'll blow it up or a submarine will come pick it up. Just in case we have some kind of problems. Is there somewhere around here where we can store this stuff?
Yeah, behind the falls, there's a natural cave. Sir? What about the favor that I asked you?
I promise you. Within 2 days, you'll have a package. Money, tickets, passports. So you're finally going home. Well, it's been a longer war for you than it has for us.
That's right.
Well, if you were looking for revenge, you sure got back at Charlie.
There were 12 of us in the ring low. Now there's only Manfield and myself. And he's in a wheelchair. I don't think I'll ever have the courage to look him in the face again. Champagne.
At last.
Who did this?
Soldiers. Russians. They came here. They looked for something after they killed everybody.
Jolene?
She's alive. I saw them. They took her away.
Don't tire yourself. I know what they want.
Save her. She has only you.
Chapang.
Alo bác Bin, là nhận thấy trực thăng bị mất, đang bay trên tôi. Sẵn sàng. Đồng chí chuẩn bị. Tiến lên.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Over and out. Here. Okay, boys. Just got word from headquarters. We gotta blow it.
We're almost ready, Colonel.
Okay. Take cover. Everybody ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Somebody's coming.
Hey! What the hell do you think you're doing? Stop!
The fucking Russians destroyed my village and took Cholin hostage. All because of your damn equipment. Now I either take this equipment back or they kill her. I've got to have this equipment.